zibaselwa ngepoto ekulu engunogalaza emzimkhulu wezorhatsha e-Auckland Park.
Zomrhatsho nezikamabonwakude zonke njalo zinabantu abanande bazibonda ukuthi zifike kuhle kuwe nanze zishutshileko.
We are following through on our commitment to invest more than 1 trillion rand as announced by the Minister of Finance in his budget speech in infrastructure over the next 3 years.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ulandela amagama akhe okusisa imali engange 1 trillion rand ehlangothini lomthangalasisekelo eminyakeni emithathu ezako.
One cannot confirm at the moment the validity of the allegations that were made by General Mkhwanazi.
Abaqozululi bezepolitiki bathi iphenyo lenziwa ngezwango batsho obukhohlakali fuze lithathwe njengegadango lokthoma akusho ukuthi izwango batsho le iliqiniso.
I don't know how we survived. We were a group of journalists who were leading, who were in front of the march, and those guys opened fire.
I-SABC irakela phambili nokugidinga iminyaka ema-75 kudala sihedlula emva. Akwande sitshaba sekosi ngiyakwamukela nginguthulani Bongwe angikhambi ngedwa sisagidinga iminyaka ema-75 endabeni zethelevishini nasemrhatshweni.
Ngiyathokoza Thulani mina ke ngingibonga induli wezibhulumbethe kuKwekwezi FM mthokoza ungamukele endabeni ze-SABC ngesindebele lotshani.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ulandela amagama akhe okusisa imali engange 1 trillion rand ehlangothini lomthangalasisekelo eminyakeni emithathu ezako. Ramaphosa bekakhuluma eParlamente namhlanje nakethula isabelo semali ze-office kaMengameli.
Ivote yesabelo semali zikahulumende wehlandla lekhomba wedemokhrasi le ifaka amahlongothi amathathu kubalwa hlangana ukuthuthukiswa komnotho, ukuvulwa kwamathuba wemisebenzi kunye nokuphungula umthago hlangana nokhunye. Umengameli ungezelele ngokuthi imali ekhutshwe emnyango wezemali izokusetshenziselwa ukuthuthukisa indlela, igezi kunye nendaba zamanzi.
We are following through on our commitment to invest more than 1 trillion rand as announced by the Minister of Finance in his budget speech in infrastructure over the next 3 years to renew our country's roads, port, rail, energy as well as water systems.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi isitshijilo esikhulu iSouth Africa eqalene naso namhlanje kuhlogeka kwemisebenzi. Pheze ilutsha elibalelwa ku 3.8 million phakathi kwabantu abatsha abayi 10.3 million alisebenzi. Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende unamahlelo amakhulu wokuvula amathuba wemisebenzi yelutsha ukwenzela ukuthi nalo libe nengeniso eliyifumanako.
Through innovative and targeted interventions, the presidential employment stimulus has continued to demonstrate that when a society invests in its people, particularly in its young people, the dividends are measured in hope, restored, and futures that are rewritten.
Ramaphosa uthi ifundo sikhali sendlala kanti uhulumende ubekelela phambili ukuthuthukiswa kwenkulisa ukwenzela ukuqinisa isisekelo sefundo kunye nokuthuthukisa ukuphepha kwabantwana nemthangalasisekelo enkolweni. Inhlangano zepolitiki ezihlukahlukeneko zizwakalise amazizwe ahlukahlukeneko ngevoti yesabelo semali le.
The ANC under the leadership of President Cyril Ramaphosa has failed dismally to fulfill the very mandate his entire presidency ticket was based on, which is to uproot corruption.
We stand in absolute rejection of vote number 1 on the presidency and the National Assembly budget. This is so because we refuse to fund lies, hypocrisy, and a failed dream.
uRamaphosa bekakhuluma namhlanje eParliament lapho bekethula khona ivote yesabelo semali ka-2025-2026. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Abanye abagqozululi bathi abantu beSouth Africa kufuze bayithathe njengephenyo lokuthoma ikomishini ephenya indaba zobukhohlakali. Lokhu njengombani umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa amemezele bona ayiphenywe beyiphenyisiso izwango batsho kucatshelwa komsebenzi amapholisa. Izwango batsho le ivele nokomitshina amapholisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Ngomana abanye abantu bahlathulula ikomishini le njengamariyadlana umcozululo wezepolitiki uProfessor Cyril Breakfast ukholwa bona igadango likaRamaphosa ngelihlelweko.
One cannot confirm at the moment the validity of the allegations that were made by General Mkhwanazi. Therefore, it won't be wise to act based on claims which have not been tested. However, one can confirm the brokenness of SAPS.
Ikomishini le inikele inyanga ezingaba zintathu ukuya kwezisithandathu bona ilethe umbiko wokuthoma. Nanyana kunabantu ababezokuthwenyeka ngesikhathi ikomishini le eyosithatha, uProfessor Breakfast uthi kuqakathekile ukuhlola iqiniso lobufakazi ngaphambi kokuthatha isiqundo.
That does give the impression that maybe there is no sense of urgency regarding the time frame of this commission.
Isazi sezomthetho umbekezeli Benjamin uhlathulula bona nanyana ikomishini ephenyako inamandla okubuthelela imininingwana kodwa nakuyathondela engakwenza ngalo ilwazelo.
A commission of inquiry doesn't have powers to suspend or fire or jail anyone or to say that someone is liable for a particular thing. They don't have those powers. All the power that they have is to investigate and find the facts.
uBenjamin uthi umnqopho ukufumana ubufakazi obungaba mhlahlandlela wamagadango bomthetho abangawathatha.
It is meant to do just a preliminary investigation, including some of the systemic issues, and then provide a report. It is not meant to be a replacement for prosecutorial or criminal investigations or other disciplinary factions that may take place in the judiciary or in the police or other implicated institutions.
Nanyana ngeke kube nalabo abaqotshwako namkha ababotshwako ikomishini nayisaphenyako kodwa ikomishini ligadango lokuthoma eliqhakathekileko lokuveza ubukhohlakalo obukhona. Ngemva kwalapho umengameli uSpeaker weParliament nesikhulu samajaji bazokunikela umbiko opheleleko.
Nasesaphethe kaMkhwanazi njalo kungahle kuvulwe ikomiti yesikhashana eParliamente eza kuphenya izwango batsho obukhohlakali evezwe nguKomitjhinara wamapholisa KwaZulu-Natal. Amalunga weParliamente avumelene emhlanganweni ohlanganyelweko wekomiti yamapholisa nekomiti yezomthetho bona kufanele kube nekomiti enjalo.
Nanyana kube namaphuzu ahlukahlukene kaveze emhlanganweni wehlanganyele bobanjwe namhlanje kuseni ngokuthi kufanele isetshenzwe njani indaba yenisolo ezenziwe nguMkhwanazi. Amalunga weParliament ayavumelana ukuthi kufanele kuthathe isiqundo esiqinileko ngendaba lem. Amalunga weParliament asekomitini yezobulungiswa nekomiti yamapholisa athi ubujamo bezokuphepha eSouth Africa nethemba amaSouth Africa nalo kezobulungiswa zisengozini.
We may disregard this matter. The people of South Africa lose confidence into the police service.
The allegations made, obviously, and we're preaching to the choir, expose very, very deep alleged institutional failures in the law enforcement and also the justice system as a whole.
Isiqhema samagqwetha weParliament siveze ezinye zendlela zokuqalana nendaba lem.
If there's no political will, Chairperson, then even the work of the commission will amount to nothing if there's no will to implement whatever recommendations.
Amalunga weParliament ayavumelana ukuthi kufanele kuragwe kuphenywe laba abathindekako begodu bangavikelwa ikomishini ephenyako isungulwe ngumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa.
Umphakathi is waiting for public representative that Mkhwanazi complained on ukuthi they must be represented as they voted for public representatives, which is us.
As the ANC, we are committed to supporting any effort to get into the bottom of establishing the truth.
Listen to what people are saying. People are angry. And before anything drastic is taken by people on the ground, I plead that the other committee should move at speed for the sake of the country.
Your delay to act and to convene a meeting like this to take a decision on whichever options need to be considered. You effectively subordinated Parliament under the executive.
Ezinye inhlangano ziveza ukuthwanyeka ngokuthi ikambiso le izokuthatha isikhathi esingangani kanti ukuphepha kwabahlabi imkhosi nakho kube indaba ekhulunywako. Amanye amalunga weParliament aveza ukuthwanyeka ngokuphepha kwabahlabi imkhosi. Ikomiti ehlanganyela yezobuhlakani nayo inikele umsebenzi wokuphenya insolo ezenziwe ngumkhwanazi. Amakomiti la kulindelwe ukuthi ethule umbiko weParliament ngelesithathu iveke ezako amalanga naka-23 kuvela abahlinze.
I-ANC eGauteng ithizwa ngobatsho eveleni noGeneral Mkhwanazi kufanele iphenyisiswe bese kuthi amaphuzu akhona asiwe ekomitshinini ephenyako. Solo kwavelizwa ngobatsho le ungqongqoshe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu wanikelwe ilifa ekhethekileko kube kwajanyiswa nesekela likakomitshina relizwe lonke uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya.
Siyamukela isiqundu sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokusungula ikomishini ephenyako ukuyokuphenya insolo zika Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Umlungeleli we-ANC eGauteng uHope Papo uthi ngemva kokuveza kobufakazi umthetho uzokuthatha indima yawo.
Remember, Gauteng has been closing some of the drug factories even before Mkhwanazi has announced. There are a number of factories, so-called factories, which were impounded by the police in Gauteng. If there are more, our view is that they must be closed. Those who are involved in those factories must be arrested, charged, and sentenced to jail.
Kufanele kuphenywe insolo ezivezwe ngumkhwanazi malungana nendawo ezithengisa indakamizwa eGauteng.
We are aware of some of the councillors who would report to their chief whips about that, and municipalities must take proactive actions to create safety for public representatives. Because remember, they become public representatives until after midnight on the day of elections.
Africa ilungiselela ukubanjwa kwamakhetho wabohulumende bemakhaya umnyaka ozako. I-ANC yehle khulu emakhethweni wabomasipalata nekuyinto eletha ukuthwenyeka ngokubulawa kwabosopolitiki.
Ukukhethwa kwebhodi etsha yesikhwama sabalimalele endleleni i-Road Accident Fund kuqalwe bona kuhlolisise ukuzibophelela kwakangqongqoshe wezokuthutha uBarbara Chris wokuhlela ngobutsha isikhwama lesi. uChris izolo uphatlalaje ibhodi yesikhwama lesi ngemva kokubhalelwa msebenzi hlangana nokhunye okukhulunyisiweko umthelela ebhodi le ebenawo ngokujanyiswa komphathi weref uCollins Litswalo ukubiza kwendleko zomthetho kunye nokudosana kwezomthetho ngendaba zama-account. Nakusenjalo ungqongqoshe uyale ofisi enkulu yezemali bona ibeke isichema sesikhatshana esokuqinisekisa ukuraga komsebenzi.
Ikomiti yeParliament ejeje zokuthutha yamukela ukuphatlalatsha kwebhodi ye-Road Accident Fund. Usihlalo wekomiti uDonald Selamulela uthi bekuvela abanyana bekunokungazwani phakathi kwamalunga webhodi nakavela eParliament ngomgwengweni.
You could see that the colleagues were just differing with each other in front of the people of South Africa, in front of all of us. And sadly, this happens at a time when beneficiaries, those who are supposed to benefit from this particular scheme, are riddled with a lot of complaints. We are sitting with a lot of complaints of people who strongly believe that they are not being attended.
Isikhulu se-Outer uWayne Juvenach ukhombele ungqongqoshe bona dlalele kude nokuqasha abamalunga we-ANC.
We really just need a board that is going to be totally independent and not be tainted by or swayed by any political interference here, and just to get on with the job. There's a lot of money at stake here, and a lot of people's lives are being decimated and negatively impacted as a result of the poor conduct of the Road Accident Fund.
uJuvenach ukhombele ukuthosa ukuziphendulela kilabo abanesandla ekwenzeni bona iRAF ibanjwe mtshono napheze kokuthi beyikwazi ukubhadela zonke indleko zayo.
Nasibuya entolo.
Engakuthembisa ukuthi ngiyokuveza ikhono lami, ngiyokujamela isikhethu.
Mina ngokwami ngithi ngizophuma ngamandla sinodadewethu siye sobuya noNongorane.
Bakhethiwe abayokujamela isitshaba samaNdebele emnyanyeni wendoni oyokubanjelwa eThekwini ngoNobayeni.
Sesaraga nendaba zelimi lesindebele lapha.
Kanti nazikuphundileko indaba uyazithola ku YouTube. Yes. Kanti nazikuphundileko yazithola ku YouTube, SABC, ku X na ku Facebook. Ibanga amathuwo nokhayilwa kwabantu zindaba ezikhamba phambili begodwa inhlangano zendaba ziyakuzwisisa ukuqakatheka kokurhatshwa kwezehlakalo ezinjalo kodwa nangokuzwisisa nangesirhawu. Eminyakeni ema-75 edlulileko i-SABC News beyingufakazi begodwa isigijimi ezehlakalweni eziyibanga amathuwo nezokhayilwa kwabantu igadangisa umthelelazo ekwakheni umlando welizweli. I-SABC ihedlule emva iqala izehlakalo embili ezenzeke esingenesiya ngokuhlukileko eminyakeni ema-30.
Lo mnyanya waqobe iminyaka lapha abomma bendoni babuthelela khona abantwana babafake ekampeni ngomnqopho wokubafundisa isintu, ihlonipho kunye nokuziphatha hlangana nokhunye. Umnqopho omkhulu wekampa le kuphephisa abantwana endweni ezimbi ezifana nokulahlekelwa similo. Uma usibongile Bhuda omholi wendoni kwaNdebele uthi nanyana kube neentshijilo ezifana nokuhlogeka kwamanzi ngesikhathi abantwana basekampeni nje kodwa konke kukhambe kuhle. uBhuda uthi abathumbi bendonaba ngabayokujamela isitshaba samaNdebele eThekwini ngoNobayeni. Kanti uthi ubawa isekelo esitshabeni samaNdebele esokthoma ukusekela amaNdebele ku-carnival nabafika eThekwini.
Nawungaqala indoni le akusiyo yami akusiyo kabani ingesitshaba samaNdebele wonke ngoba kuba buhlungwana hle nasifika le uthole abanye abantu babasupporta and then thina uthole sibathathu sibane.
Abathumbi bendoni besitshaba samaNdebele banonyaka nje balithokozele ithubeli.
Mina ngakuthembisa ukuthi ngiyokuveza ikhono lami, ngiyokujamela isikhethu, ngiyokuveza isikhethu. Begodwa ngifuna abantu babone ukuthi nasimaNdebele sizimisele kangangani begodwa sibabantu abanjani, ihlonipho, ifundiso nakho konke.
Mina ngokwami ngithi ngizokuphuma ngamandla sino dadwethu siye sobuya noNongorane into engibonako ngibona amaNdebele aphumelela alibuyisa isiko lakanzonzane lakaManala.
Umnyanya wephaliswano lendoni uyokubanjelwa eThekwini ngoNobayeni womnyaka lo. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Mbukeli sincancabeze ngalokho ngokuthi-ke sethule istori bese-ke sengena ezinye lapha nokho asesisale sesibuyela kiso-ke lesa-ke se-SABC ibanga amathuwo nokukhayilwa kwabantu zindaba ezikhamba phambili begodi inhlangano zendaba ziyakuzwisisa ukuqakatheka kokurhatshwa kwezehlakalo ezinjalo kodwana ngokuzwisisa nangesirhawu. Eminyakeni ema-75 edlulileko i-SABC News beyingufakazi begodi isigijimi ezehlakalweni ezibanga amathuwo nezokukhayilwa kwabantu igadangisa umthelela wazo ekwakheni umlando welizwe. I-SABC ihedlula emva icala izehlakalo embili ezenzeka esingenisa ngokuhlukileko eminyakeni ema-30.
Mukhase eSouth Africa kwaba nokuchayisana okukhulu epolitikini banengi ababhubhako ngesikhathi eso. Ngomhla ka-7 kuKhukhulamungu ngo-1992 kwabhubha abachagala abama-28 neJohn Linye lebutho lezokuvikela eSiskai ngesikhathi amalunga wamaJohn weSiskai adumuza inkulungwana zabantu aphe bamatshele ebhishu kuyokufuna ukuthi iSiskai ibe yingcenye yeSouth Africa. uNtembeko Mafa kwaMaqoma ngaba neminyaka ema-22 ubudala ngesikhathi eso wadunyuzwa ikule Skidi akhanga sakhona ukukhamba solo kwamhloko.
Feeling something hitting me on my left hand side, on my upper body of my body, and then all of a sudden I fell, and then I tried, to stand up because I didn't lose consciousness, I tried to, but I could not, and I did look around, and then I saw just a small spot of blood.
Ekhaba mbiki indaba we-SABC uPhil Nqumba nguye ekhaba bika ngematch le nanje sola kakhohlwa bona waphepha inkulu ngendlela erarako mhloko.
How we survived. We were a group of journalists who were leading, who were in front of the march. and those guys opened fire. What saved us was that there was a ditch along this road. We went for that ditch.
Ngemva kweminyaka emachumi amathathu iPumalanga Kapa yavelelwa ngesinye sehlakalo kodwa. Bantu abatsha babhubhela ethaveni eScenery Park eEast London ngomgwengweni ka-2022. Isiqhema sendaba se-SABC kwaba ngiso esifika kokuthoma endaweni yesehlakalo. Mbikindaba we-SABC uAbongile Yankees usakhumbula indaba lengasuthi yenzeka izolo.
Stories which I pick up as one of the most traumatic and one of the most emotional stories that we've ever covered here in the East London region of the SABC.
Hlangane khatshela umphakathi le ragela phambili nokulandelela indaba le njengoba nababelethi bafunana nempendulo ukuthi kwenzekani ngabendaba babo.
We still believe that there are still other people who are still supposed to come and give their witnesses. For an example, the Buffalo City Municipality.
I-SABC News isazokuragela phambili nokurhatsha indaba ezihlakalweni ezikulu ngeqiniso begodwa nangokuzwisisa. Begodwa ngokwenza njalo silondela isizukulwane esizako umlando welizweli.
Asiqala umbono wakho mbukeli ngokuthi sihashela njani indaba lapha kwa-SABC nakumbono wakho yalandela.
Bangase balihlaba abantu indaba mari indaba ngizo siyakhona ukuzwa sikude ukuthi endaweni enje kwenzekani.
Ziyathuthuka kakhulu njengoba nathi sikwazi ukuthi siphawule sihleli la ekhaya.
Mina ngithi danke kwi-SABC ngendaba zayo ze-television ngoba basibonisa izinto ngobunjalo bazo.
Basiphakela zona zinjalo abathatha ihlangothi.
Namanje sikhona nokuveza imibono ukuthi sivele nathi ngemibono.
Mara into esithwenya kakhulu nekufundwa indaba etelevision imbono yababukeli njengesizulwini nasesixhosa abafaki kulo amandebele bafaka imhlobo le yabo mara esindebeleni kungena wonke umhlobo.
Mina izindaba ngizithola kamnandi bangikhashela kamnandi kokwezi FM kukhanya ba sibulumbethe sithemba zemini sibuya nabazumi kezevekele
#happy birthday SABC.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli.
Manje sike asiyeke sibuya nabazumi.
Iye. Sizwe
Sithokoze Bongwe nonamhlalukwana silotshisa umukelo khona usekhaya ngolosithathu ke namhlanje lihlelo elikhethekileko. Siyokhulumisana nomfundisi la uDumsani Sikhosana. Iphela vekele esichinga kiyo lapha kumasipala wethembisile endaweni yeTweefontein. Kunomhlangano omkhulu lapho kuzabe kudenjwa khona indaba eziqalene nabobaba amasokana sengitsho nabesanyana abasakhulako. Ngiyo ke indaba isiphethe khulu namhlanje khona lapha ehlelweni zibuya nabazunguko kweZFM. Ukuthoma nje imzuzu nemihlanu ngemva kwe-hour lesithandathu.
Siyathokoza Sihlahla loshana ekhaya ngelesithathu ke sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha ngale ngeKapa kuchidela umoya omakhaza nakhe uletha izulu ngamathuba alinganiselwa lapha nge30% livulile endaweni eziningi livale ngamafuke phakathi nenaga khulukhulu lapha esifundeni sangale ngeFreystata kusasa sibona ke amathutshana wezulu ayakhula ngegwini langale ngejingalanga Kapa nge60% 30% nawungenelelako kanti ke nangapha ke esifundeni sangeFreystata ayabonakala amathuba nge30% sithole lapha ke Islemu kuthiwa lapha ke ilwandle libukhali kilezi ndawo abantu bacheje bayelele ngokuhlwa kwanamhlanje sikane kusasa ke esikubonako ikhonakalo yomlilo wemango kilezi ndawo ezingale ngeBloemfontein siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi kanjani amazinga okuchisa kuthoma kuyafuthumela eGauteng kanti ke kungconywana lapha eJohannesburg nge23 Pitori nge22 Bronkhortspruit nge21 kanti ebusuku nekuseni nokho ke kusese makhaza nasiyoqala isifunda sangale ke ngeLimpopo sibona ke endaweni eziningi kupholile kuthi ke lapha ePhalaburwa kuyafuthumele nakubodzanini neThoho yando siyalapha ke eMpumalanga sibona khona ke kusesemakhazana eCarolina nalapha eEmelo kodwa nezinye indawo zipholile kusesikhukhuza lapho kufuthumele khona kamnandi nge29 uKwaZulu Natal bonakala ifuthumele endaweni eziningi kulapha eKokstad la kuphole khona ngemva kwamadini ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngaleke ngePumalanga Kapa sibona ke nayo ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi indawo eziningi ziyaphola ukuthi ke nakezinye indawo sibona kuyaphola ngokuhamba kwesikhathi asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
kusasa zikhona indaba zeSwati Ngiwukhobongile
kanti nezesizulu zikhona nge-hour lekhomba sale nomusa